Welcome to our assembly guide for your new dressing trolley. This video will walk you through the easy steps to set up your dressing trolley, designed for both practicality and style in medical environments. First, carefully unpack the box and remove all components. Lay the components on a clean surface to avoid any damage. Here's a quick overview of what you'll find inside the box. Main frame assembly with bowl holder bush, bucket holder bush and castors, right. 1 number. Main frame assembly with handle and castors, left. 1 number. Stainless steel shelf top, bottom. 2 number. Side rail, 2 number. Bowl holder, 1 number. Bucket holder, 1 number. Bowl, 1 number. Bucket, 1 number. Stainless steel T knob, 2 number. Step 1. Main frame assembly with bowl holder bush and bucket holder bush, right, and main frame assembly with handle, left, parallel to each other. Step 2. Insert both side rail into the main frame assembly and place the top shelf and bottom shelf to the main frame assembly, then tighten it with the help of connecting pipe provided. Use 15 number spanner. Step 3. Insert the bowl holder and bucket holder into the bush provided on the main frame assembly with bowl holder bush and bucket holder bush. Then put the bowl and bucket into it. After that, tighten with the help of stainless steel T knob. Step 4. Now the dressing trolley is ready for use. Thank you for choosing our dressing trolley. For additional support or inquiries, please refer to the user manual or contact our customer support team. We're here to assist you.